Okay, gang, working on my lights on the buildings on the third level, and that's the townhouse, and I got this certain rooms lit up in there, and then the hotel is lit up, and then we go over to this side of the layout, and there's my oil refinery, and there's lights there, and then I got a flickering light on the one place, and then that's flames going on from the furnace stack. And then we go over to the gasworks building. That's lit up, and it has a red flickering light on the top too. So that's the lights for there. And this is the Cobalt Alpha Mimic setup. And I don't know if we can see it. I'll get my light here. That's the device, and the two wires going off of that green tab go to the bus line, and that provides power. And then all those white dots you see there are connectors, and then the wires just plug right into there, and then I just have to solder the wires together. I tried using some connectors, but these wires are so thin they wouldn't make good contact, so I'm just going to solder them and put them in place. And you can put up to 3 LEDs onto one port, and then they're all addressed. Those ports are addressed. I set them up in my NCE system starting at address 501, then it goes up to 512, and there's 2 per address, and then I can turn them on and off with the system. So I'm working on a thing in JMRI to script it, so I can just click a thing on my panel and turn them on or turn them off. So that's that. So that's been a while getting that those lights for the oil refinery up there. I ordered some, and then they weren't the right ones, and I had to reorder them. So that fire thing up the top there, I like that. It's really cool. And Alexa, train room on. Okay, now I turn the lights on, and you can see the details. I put some people here, workers, and there's my forklifts with some of my 55-gallon drum that I put on, and then there's a couple people standing up the tower on there, and over there's a couple standing there, and the 2 guys working here. So that's that, and there's my 2 oil tanks, and I gotta run some piping over to there yet, and then I think I'm going to get another one for here to see. But that's it for now. I got the lighting all the way over on this side done, and I got to work on this part of the layout. I got a building there, the ice building, and then those buildings over there. I got to get lights in, and so it's all taking time, but we got it going. So that's it for today. I just wanted to show you the lights and my oil refinery, and we'll see how the rest of the lighting goes. I finally figured out how to extend the wires. I have this Cat 6 cabling. I got a whole box of it, so I'm going to use that to run the wires, you know, the long ones, and we'll go from there. And I'll tidy all them up later. But those flickering lights, they're not hooked up to this Cobalt Alpha Mimic. They're hooked up to a 18 volt DCC or a DC 18 volt DC bus line that I have running around the layout. I tapped into that, and I got a buckboards, and then I can regulate the voltage to whatever I want. If I need like a 2 volt or a 10 volt or 8 volt or whatever, I can just tune that buckboard in, and you can see that red light underneath the layout. That's the buckboard, and that provides power to those LEDs. So they're from Evans Designs. But that's it. So we'll see you all in the next video, and this is Tom, and everybody take care.